Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Docker Compose on a VDS for staging environments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Docker Compose on a VDS for staging environments, start by accessing your virtual dedicated server via SSH. Use a terminal application if you are on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Log in using your server's IP address and your username. Once logged in, ensure your system is up to date by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install Docker, which is essential for Docker Compose to function. Run the command sudo apt install docker.io. After Docker is installed, check the installation by typing Docker version. Now, let's install Docker Compose. To do this, first, download the latest version of Docker Compose. Use the command sudo curl l https://github.com/docker/compose/releases/latest/download/docker compose $uname $uname o/usr/local/bin/docker compose. Once downloaded, apply executable permissions to the binary with sudo chmod +x/usr/local/bin/docker compose. Verify the installation by checking the version of Docker Compose using Docker Compose version. Now, create a new directory for your staging environment. Use the command dir/staging environment and navigate into it using cd/staging environment. Next, create a Docker Compose YAML file to define your services. Use a text editor to create this file, for example, with the command nano-dockercompose.yml. Inside this file, define the services you need for your application. Specify the image, ports, and any necessary environment variables. Save and exit the editor once you have defined your services. To start your staging environment, run the command docker compose upd. This will download the necessary images and start your services in detached mode. To check the status of your services, use the command docker compose ps. If you want to stop your environment, simply run docker compose down. With this, you have successfully enabled Docker Compose on your VDS for staging environments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.